Good afternoon. I am back with a nearly empty coffee. I have not made a video in probably 8 months um, because I did not feel like it, but I've decided to today. I'm going to go through some portfolio things, new things I'm doing, future videos that I would like to make, and then go over my actual portfolio. I'll probably do that first, but yeah. I would like to start uploading things more consistently again if I can, but we will see where it goes. I'm at my beautiful college campus right now, which I will show to the camera because it is fall here and it is wonderful outside. But I only have about 10 minutes to record this because I have a class starting, so I'm just going to get right to it. Okay, I forget how this works, so I'm assuming it's recording, but I'm going to be mostly using Vanguard now for my actual portfolio updates. I don't know exactly how often I'll do them. I also probably have to move the thing so you can actually see the stock names, but I don't know. I might not even do face cam, but I want to. So this is my current portfolio, you could say. These are the only stocks I hold at the moment. I'm planning on doing videos where I do like stock valuation reviews. I'm kind of moving away from options. I'm still doing a thing with options, but it's very different than what I used to do. For the 32 of you that probably didn't watch any of the videos that I posted on options, um, I also do Forex a little bit better, but I haven't done it in a few weeks now. But I might make a few videos on that as well because I actually was being more consistent with it over the summer. I was doing it every so often, and it was performing fairly well. But I'm just gonna do a quick overview here for the actual portfolio, and then I'll get into the videos that I'll be making kind of in the future for some other stuff. So Vanguard Mutual Fund. This is obviously my biggest holding. I'm up a decent amount on. I bought this probably 2 or 3 months ago, and the market has been doing fairly well. Celsius. I'll do individual video reviews on each of these stocks, and then probably other stocks too. Like I'll review them based on ratios, financial statements, things like that, and just kind of go through everything. Just to show like why it's a buy, why I'm not buying it. If somebody wanted to comment and say, hey, can you review this company from like a financial standpoint, I would be more than happy to do that. But yeah, first up, Celsius. Stock stock chart looks fantastic for a buy. Their financials are really solid, record growth, record profit. Um, Things like that. So that is my largest individual stock at the moment. Lululemon's another case where the chart looks fantastic. Financials are insane, very little debt, tons of growth, things like that. And again, I'm doing more of a long term kind of thing now instead of swing trades and options trading. I'm more long term holding stocks. Chewy, recession proof, strong growth. I am down 8% on it, but I also bought it at a terrible time. I may actually buy another 5 shares or so today or tomorrow, depending on when I get it. I mean, I could do it right now, but depending on when I feel like it, I'll probably buy a couple more shares just to kind of average that stock price down. Dollar General, always the GOAT. They do have a lot of debt, but the stock price is down so low that they're practically at liquidation value at this point, and it's one of the best companies in the like retail consumer defensive space, in my opinion, at least. Gotta have it. PayPal, again, another case where the chart is down so much, but record growth, record numbers, low debt, everything is looking positive. I strongly consider PayPal to be like an Amazon situation where in the 90s, Amazon stock dropped 80%. And the entire time they were showing record numbers, strong growth, strong profits, strong whatever numbers that they need. And so I consider PayPal to be something like that. I do have Snapchat, which some people might think is a little controversial. I do not care. They have good numbers. Users are growing. They just released a fantastic earnings report literally today. That's why I'm up. I was basically even on it. I think I was up 2 or 3%, but I'm up almost 17% on it now. Um, Fantastic for me. Just bought it at the perfect time. This company, Cerence, is a bit of a sketchy one. It is a very small AI tech company. Um, their last earnings report was solid. They have a significant amount of debt, but they have been reducing it, and they have a lot of possible opportunity. Um, I'm up a little bit on it, but not going to be buying any more of this. I bought 70 shares. I don't know why it's not saying the cost per share, but I bought 70 shares at like $2.86 a piece. So not buying any more of it just because it's very high risk. Robinhood, I bought what I'm considering a starter position. I literally put $50 in, but it's only because their stock price has been insane recently. It is growing so quickly and so fast. I'm not hoping that they underperform, but I'm hoping it goes back down so I get a better price on it, because I used to own Robinhood back in the day at $8, $9 a share, and I sold it for like a 40% gain like 2 or 3 years ago. And that was fantastic for me at the time. But I really hope it goes back down to like the $20, $22 range, and I could get back in with much, much more shares. But for now, I just got a couple. I'm up 5.5% on it. That's great. I do have this bond that I bought a couple months ago. You really can't go wrong with a bond. I think what I'm going to do is always have at least one bond in. So this one, I had another one that I had set to be redeemed about halfway through my semester, which I already got. That was for about 3,000, and I made like 40-ish something dollars on it, whatever, in a couple months. So that's really solid. But my plan is to always have one. The next one I buy will probably be $2,000, and yes, I would like to. The next one I buy will probably be for $2,000 and will be for between 3 and 6 months. But I'm planning on just always having at least one or two in here, just as like a solid cash base that consistently grows in value. And then also my like base money is just the I don't think it says my cash position here. This is just my investments. But like you could see, the market value total is you can see it says 9,100 here. I have a decent amount more than that in my actual portfolio. The rest is a couple $1,000s in just the regular Vanguard money markets. But I think I have like 13 minutes until my class starts. But I do keep probably around 30-40% of my money in just money markets, and then another 10-15% in bonds, which right now is less than 10%, but I would like to buy another one for around 2,000. And then the rest is in stocks. Now, if I find more stocks, like I'm sure I will soon, to invest in, I'll probably lower the amount of cash I have, just because if I find something good, I'm going to buy it. But I think that is about it for now. Again, I'm going to try to do, thank you, ad block, for popping up. I'm going to try to do fairly consistent videos of just portfolio updates where I go over this stuff again, same way, same format, whatever. And then I'll do, or at least a couple, and try to be consistent with it, like stock valuations, where I go through the financial statements, the outlook, the chart, things like that, and just go over the overall of individual stocks. So yeah, I'll try to do that as well. So I think that's it for today. Got to get to class 10 minutes, but yeah, I'd like to start posting again. I will try my best to, and hopefully have a wonderful day.